What's up guys, Dave with Fix It for Fun. If you're wondering how these tracks perform, awesome. If you're wondering how you put them on, come with me and let's find out.
This is definitely the most expensive unboxing I've ever done. Okay, let's get this door down, the heat on. First thing we're going to do is pop the tire up. We've got to put a bracket on and roll the track on. It looks pretty straightforward. I guess we'll find out. Well, at least I'm not fighting rust yet. Okay, so what we're doing, guys, is we're putting this bracket on the bottom control arm. There we go. You got to put the bolt in first, otherwise you won't get in once the bracket's on. And there's a top plate.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so here's what's going on. We've got them on. Now we have to get all this stuff adjusted. And there's a level right here, so that you know where they're supposed to be pitch-wise. Because you want them angled up so that you can driving over, not digging in. Let's see, so we've got to come back quite a bit. Okay, so we got this one done. We have to do the same thing to the other side to get the attack angle correct. Then we got to turn the steering and get the steering adjusters all situated. That way they don't oversteer and rip everything apart. So we'll do the other side. Same thing to the other side. Okay, well, we got the tracks on. It took about 3 hours. It shouldn't take that long next time, but it's just all the setting up. But let's take her out in the woods and see if we can't get it stuck. I mean, it's probably not the smartest thing I could do at 10 o'clock at night. And definitely not the smartest thing I could do at 10 o'clock at night when it's 9 degrees, but hey, let's go have some fun.
Is it going to happen? Can the side-by-side do it? She's brand new. He's coming back. Is he gonna do it? Nah, okay. Right off that top. Hey, Driver. This thing's a beast.
Camso 4S1 tracks, I would definitely recommend them. They are expensive, but you know why they cost so much? Because they're worth it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.